guys, my name is Neil and today I will be taking you through my journey of making a dog breed classifier. What I'm using is a Stanford dog breed dataset and I'll link that down in the description if you want to try that. This will be part of a video series that will be taking you through the different parts of the journey of my dog breed classifier. So, let's start first. This is on the my GitHub page, so I'll link that down in the description if you want to check it out. So here, I'm starting out by just defining some basic functions to get ready for doing the network. So I have image_dim, which is going to tell me the dimensions. This is going to list the files. This one is going to tell me the average file dimension so I can find out which file dimension I actually want to resize it for. And then once I have the size I want to resize it for, I can put it into image resize. Then I have my NN image resize that will do it in like a NumPy array and like everything. And then file to breed. When I got it, it had these weird zeros and like numbers and stuff like this. This is the file name. So I just want to make it into something more that is easier to represent. So I just change it. I just take away all these random numbers and get it right down to the breed. So right here, we have to split the train, test, and val so that we can have those different data sets. And here, it's just a combination of resizing and doing it to make it like some easier functions. And then now I take that data and I put it into X and Y just to make sure it follows with the convention of X being your input and Y being like the labeled data. And then what I do is I convert everything to like a number, so then at the end of my neural network, when I have those numbers, I can convert it into the breed. So now what is over here is I create the actual basic network. You see, this isn't that complex of a network. You're just doing some convolution, one average pool, and just one linear layer. So it's pretty basic, but it's good to just start off. So my learning rate is 0.01. I ran 50 epochs, and what I've done here is that this will give you an idea about the kind of what you want your split to be. You want a bunch of test data, as much as you can, but you also need some test data and validation data. So now, this is some more functions to help with the fit function. This is what's actually going to be doing the training, right? So then we run it on the basic network, and what we see at the end of this accuracy plot is that the train goes, you see it's not doing that well, it's still 25%, but it's pretty high. But test and val are doing pretty low. So, what's the problem here? Well, this is showing some basic starting forms of overfitting, which can be a problem when your network is just fits the data. It just learns the exact, like the order of the data instead of actually learning how to recognize the data. But this still isn't overfitting because the train isn't doing that well either. So in my next video, in this series, I will be showing you how I tried to fix it and then what problems still arose. Hello, I'm Neil Kumar. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.